I'm Victoria, and I am so excited to talk to you about Youth to the People's Superfood Skin Reset Mask. It's like hitting the reset button on my skin, and best of all, it only takes 10 minutes, which if you're lazy like me is a godsend. And also, look how beautiful. This belongs on your Instagram feed and on your face. Everything's made in California. It's sustainable packaging, which is super compelling to me. You know, some of the ingredients include spirulina, which is this amazing algae. It's actually a great hangover cure, but it's also really great for hungover skin. There's also microalgae, which acts as a really gentle exfoliant, so it kind of resurfaces those dead skin cells and, you know, gives you that lip from within glow. There's kale and spinach. One of the really great things that I really love about it is that it doesn't dry. It has clay in it, which kind of vacuums out your pores and takes out all that oil and grime, but it doesn't dry and give you that kind of cracked, super tight feeling. So you can really just put it on, and yeah, you can put it on for 10 minutes, but you can also just totally forget about it and then terrify your roommate when she comes home. And that also means it just washes off really easily too. So I really swear by it. It's kind of my pick-me-up on Sunday mornings when I've had a late night. Thank you guys so much for following along. My skin is so soft, and I hope that you're as obsessed with this product as I am.